Hello viewers, welcome to my channel iTech Solution. Today I will discuss another topic on Excel worksheet, and the topic is how to draw pie chart, 2D pie chart. Here the definition tells that how to use 2D pie chart. This use is when the values can be added together, or when you have only one data series and all values are positive, that is non-negative data. So let us try a chart for the current scenario of imaginary data of COVID positive COVID data. Here suppose these are imaginary data. So first we have two data series, so I type it quickly. Data series of COVID states. Suppose 4 states. I am giving the heading as states, and here the second heading, the table heading, COVID affected. So let us see, suppose my state is HP, Himachal Pradesh. Suppose these are imaginary data, so I should write here imaginary, because no one state I have to take an account of. So this is suppose Uttar Pradesh, suppose Rajasthan, Delhi, and here I give the data series, that is one series of data available with me. Suppose this value is 4000, this value is 4500, this value is suppose 5000, this one is suppose 3000. So I have to convert this data in a pie diagram. So how will it do is go to the insert menu and pie, and this is 2D two-dimensional chart. So first have to for showing immediate data, select data with this heading and go for pie, and it will generate the chart with the values of two series. It is you have to send the first series is the state name, second is the corresponding value of COVID affected personnel in hundreds. So I will drag it here. Sorry, here coloring chart is HP, UP, and Rajasthan and Delhi. So this value can be show here. Select the chart and go for layout, data level, center. So the values are, this is HP is in blue, red in UP. So these are the values correspondence. So the corresponding value is here showing the data. How is it? Layout menu, select the chart, layout menu, data levels, where you want to show in center and inside end, and or in outside end. And this is the select data levels. These are called data levels. And legends. What are these? Go for legends, and at the top the state name is shown above the chart. Suppose legend in the left. So this is how the legends of series of state name is shown here with color name, and this is the subtitle. Here is the subtitle, center overlay title, and above chart. This is centered overlay. That is, you can extend the chart area here. So extend the chart area. Then it should be specific to the viewer. So that can be extended forward. It should be extended. Yes, some like this. So this is how the chart is showing. So I think it is clear now how the data is typed here, states, and data is started from this HPUP Rajasthan Delhi, and the value of heading is the second top of above the series data series. This is heading of this title of this series, and personnel of this. And I have to repeat it again. Select the data, go to insert pie 2D, then it will generate this one. So I think it is very easy to generate pie diagram. So please try it yourself. Very simple tricks, and see it twice if there is a problem with you. Thank you, and if it is available for you, then please subscribe this channel. Thank you.